Troubleshooting speed controller system. Engine doesn't start. I would do this step before you call customer service. What system do you have? Speed controller, actuator, speed sensor, what is the application, engine, and etc. You should have it ready to answer these questions and many more. We need to know and understand the system you have and what you're trying to accomplish. We will try to help you, but information is very crucial. We need power to the unit. There are many reasons we don't have a power to the unit. Blown fuse, wiring issue, relay doesn't work. Starter takes all the power, wrong wires here and there. Forgot to put the fuse in, wire loose, relay doesn't work, other components supposed to turn it on, doesn't turn it on, or too little power. That's why our first goal is see how much power do you have. On a digital version, you have to be careful, though you see the screen is lighting up. Screen only needs 7 volts. So we will ask you to unhook all the wires except the actuator, speed sensor, and power. We want to isolate the unit from everything else and only get the most necessary hooked up to get the engine running as fast as possible. That's why we take all additional wires off, and often we ask people to hook it directly to the battery if you have other components between. On analog system, we have a 25-turn pot, and not many people know that, but we have you can turn it forever. There's no stop on it, but you can hear click on it when you're on the end. In this case, we turn it counterclockwise and you will hear the click. And it's on the both sides. If you turn it clockwise, then 25 turns is a lot, and I speed the video up so you're not getting bored. Here's the click on a high rate. You have everything hooked up and like that, and now we have to look at the speed sensor. We want to see at least 1 AC voltage from the speed sensor to the speed controller. We start to measure the speed controller speed sensor signal while we're cranking, and remember it's AC volts, not DC volts. There we have around 2 volts. That is really good. If you don't have it, we move to the speed sensor itself and measure there. You can see I have 113 millivolts. That's not enough, and it was broken connector. I fixed that, and I have 2.6 or so, and that is very good. There's many reasons why sensor can go bad. Can be grinded on the end, screwed too far, can be all kinds of dirt on it, an older application, or just simply fails. Now we want to know, okay, the actuator doesn't move, why doesn't it move? We want to see the voltage from the speed controller. On a 12 volt system, you should see at least 8 volt DC. And we start there, measure the voltage to the actuator. But there's many reasons why you don't see the actuator move. There can be adjustments. Wire broken, actuator is 24 volts, should be 12. Fuel pump components are heavy or too small actuator, or we have a problem with the engine. It can be stuck, or the rack can be stuck, and there can be so many reasons the engine won't start. We want to see the voltage from the speed controller to the actuator in cranking. 12 volt system should be above 8 volts. This one is showing 10 volts. We have been cranking this engine for a while, so it's dropping down. Here we move to see where the wire harness is broken. That is very common issue. We have charged the battery here and it should show us higher voltage DC, and it's showing us 11.8 voltage DC. That's really good. So now it's a question, why doesn't the engine start up? And we should look into the actuator. What is it doing while cranking? We can see it moves there, but not far enough. It seems to be the engine is trying to run. Can be heavy rack or stuck rack. It should be like that. Go to full fuel and start to run. And now it's just adjustment after this. If you have any other questions or need more information, please call customer support at Governors America.